here we are on the front porch in the middle of Hurricane Irene, and you can hear the rooster crowing, and there's the tree across the street. And if you go down to show the road right there, you can see across this way, a little bit of wind damage there, a couple of twigs down, and a few leaves blown
See the
down.
mailbox blown down.
Yeah, the mailbox is... If that mailbox is still standing, we're in good shape, because it's pretty rickety. There's the pond. We're not flooding over there at the pond. Zip on over. Yeah, and the trees blowing in the breeze a little bit there. Oh, zoom in on that puddle. I'd say our puddles in the driveway are about twice the size of normal, so we'll be careful in those.
Have to walk around those because if you fall in, you might never get out.
Yeah, we'll be really careful with those puddles. So this is it. This is the cars.
The cars seem to be in good shape.
Yeah, you can hear the crickets. Unless that's the iPod with the cricket alarm going off that I can't find. And what's that? Nothing. Something on the screen. Thought it was a little more wind damage from the tree. So,
see, it's the tops of the trees, so you can see how hard the wind is blowing. Look at that.
Let's watch that. See?
It's actually a very pleasant, cool breeze.